Incremental things. Let's continue the Supermemo course, approachable expansion. Now we will cover the review. All we have seen, the use cases for it. Another use case, when you want to finish off a branch. So let's say that I'm done with this. No, I did it with Supermemo. I don't locate it in this backup. Okay, here you go. Before that is the concept in my general collection. So I have TFT, Tools for Thought, more or less. And I have it done for Supermemo. So you know what? Now that I'm mostly done, but I still have some stuff pending to read, it will become outstanding in 1 year and 2 years. You know what? I'm 95% processed. Let me finish off what is left. So I know for sure I have read the entire Supermemo documentation. Easy. So I just get, in this case, it will be like this. And then I would filter only topics and then only memorized is A. In this case, I only have 6. In my case, I had like, I don't know, more than that. But something that you can process is, okay, then let me do review all, because I don't care if it's outstanding or not. I want to finish this already by now. So I start this, and I will do the close deletion, whatever, Next, I will read. Oh my God, that's a question I asked myself in Supermemopedia. Okay. Oh my God. Oh yeah, this is about, I asked this, but I got no successful reply, not enough. Do I care about the acquisition rate? I have solved that. I already know the formula. Is how you apply that. This is done. Boom. Next. Difficulty, even though this is very short, by the way. And then what would happen, that I just do extracting, close deletions, and I apply done. Then perhaps because I did the extracts, I generate a few more elements. This is what happened. I finished off this branch like this, but I created brand new extracts. So if I do care next day, I will do a new layer of those second layer extracts. If it's really complex, I will do a third level extract. So an extract of an extract of an extract. So I will need a third time. But you get my point. That I just want to finish off the branch when it's mostly done. Because I do care about knowing everything about Supermemo without waiting for incrementalism. Because I decided I have enough, and yeah, I will cut it there, and whatever they have started, I will finish it, but I'm not going to start anything new. Could be, I don't know, any topic in particular is, or concept group, depends on you what you read. I mean, kind of redundant to do it, but yeah, it's a good option. So nothing more to add, and see you in the next video.